If you have started a business or you have existing business but just know about the digital marketing, so you are struggling to decide whether you have to choose SEO or PPC, whether you should invest, so you are in the right place. In this video, I will tell you which is better for your business, SEO or PPC. You will know exact answer till the end of this video, so watch this video till the end. Those are new to my channel, I have to introduce myself, so let's play the introduction video. SEO and PPC both are the legitimate source of traffic. So we have to decide between these two. So let's have a look of their advantages and disadvantages. So it will be better for you, which is good for your business. So let's get started for this video. First we will see the advantages of SEO. First is constant organic traffic. As long as you hire in Google for particular desired keyword, you have consistently generate the traffic to your website. How your traffic looks like if you succeed with SEO, please see this image so you will know you have succeed with the SEO. Second is SEO is cheaper than PPC. Neil Patel blogs is ranked for desired 21,73,375 plus keywords and almost get 38,88,515 plus search visitors per month. If you want to buy that traffic through PPC, you know how much it will cost to you? It will cost you $1 million per month. I know you want a solution on that. So if you hire 3-4 people as a content creator team, it will not cost you as much as $1 million in their salaries. So it would be reasonable to say that SEO is cheaper than PPC. So let's have a look on disadvantages of SEO. First is SEO needs time. According to study, there are 5.7% of website pages are ranked in Google result for desired one keyword within a year of publishing. And if you optimize your website pages well, then if you are lucky, then you can rank in 6 months too, but not less than 6 months. Second, SEO needs unique and trustworthy content. If you want to make a recipe of dessert, then who would you prefer? Sanjeev Kapoor or me? Of course, you preferred Sanjeev Kapoor to make a recipe or learn recipe from them. People would love to learn from the experts, right? So this is applied in online world too. People will love to read the content, consume content and share the content which is written by the subject matter experts. So now we discuss about PPC. So what is PPC? PPC is a search engine advertising platform by Google Ads. Here we have to pay for the clicks to your website. So let's move on to the advantages of PPC. First, PPC get quick results. In SEO, you have to wait for a week, month or maybe a year to get into rank. But in PPC, it's much faster. You just have to log in into the ad platform and start a campaign. Second, PPC allows narrow targeting. You can target specific people who visited your website, or you can target a specific people according to their demographics. For example, like location of your audience, age of your audience and the gender of your audience. For example, if you are selling the fashion products for female within the age of 25 to 30, right, or 34. So you can target a specific female age between 25 to 34 for your fashion products. The third advantage is PPC allows A/B test. You can set up a campaign, run A/B test and observe the result, what works best for you and what doesn't. For example, if you run ad for particular campaign and you have running two ads simultaneously and check which is work best for you. What works well, you can continue with that ads. So what are the disadvantages of PPC? First, you need a good marketing budget. If you're a startup and you have less marketing budget, then it might be costlier for you to run a profitable ads. And if you don't know about how to optimize the campaign, then you will only lose the money. Second, PPC is too expensive. Many competitor industries like insurance or real estate need the highest bid for particular keyword. Sometimes the keyword bid is much higher than the product cost, which is not affordable. For example, you have bid for the keyword car insurance, then it will be cost you around $40 per click on average, so which is not affordable. Third is lose effectiveness. If people seeing your ad too often, then messaging becomes stale. So you need to create new ad copies or images and replace the existing ad copies with the new one, so you can work in the long run. So here we come the last and the most important question, which is better for your business, SEO or PPC? I will tell you with an example. Imagine SEO is a water and the PPC is food. You cannot say one is better than other. If you want energy, you should have them both, right? So you should take advantages of all marketing channel that works best for your business. So my recommendation is use SEO and PPC simultaneously. That will help you to get organic traffic in short term and enhance your business online presence in long term success. So that's it for today. If you like this video, please let me know in the comment section below and get in touch with me on all social media channel. Link is given in the description below. And please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you'll get the notification of my next videos. Bye bye.